Hey, I'm Ben Pearson with Bensbackwoods.com. We are out in the National Forest. I'm out here with my buddy George Hedgepeth. He's going to demonstrate some coal cooking of eggs with no utensils. It's simple and easy, and we haven't seen a whole lot of people doing this, and this is one of George's favorite ways of cooking eggs out in the bush. So here he is.
Hi there. This is such a simple little trick, and that's the beauty of it. It's a lot of fun if you've got a bunch of kids. It's almost as much fun for them as doing marshmallows. You take a dozen eggs and feed 6 kids breakfast in a hurry this way, and they do the work, which is kind of nice. So the deal is you can cook an egg in hot ashes or embers of fire. You don't need a pot or a pan. It comes out pretty much like a boiled egg. Generally, you do them until they're fairly hard boiled. You don't have to. It's just easier to handle them that way. Anytime you heat up a liquid in a sealed container, you got a pressure issue. So the big trick to this, here's our little egg, is you take and you peck a hole in it. And you want to break the membrane under the shell so there's a place for pressure to escape. A little egg will probably cook out of this. And when I say a little, I mean just a little tiny bit will kind of bubble out and cook on the eggshell. But that's it. So you take the egg and you have a fire that's burnt down, as we have here. And depending on how hot the embers are, it might take a little more. This is pretty hot. Rake these around. Now the stick that I'm scraping the embers up with has got a fork on it. And although I'm pretty clumsy, this should allow me in a few minutes to fish the egg out. So let me set a timer and we'll see how long this takes. It looks like it might be a little underdone yet. Okay, this was 8 minutes. And as I rake the egg out, got a few embers on the outside. Let's see if we can get this up on a work surface. We'll give that a minute to cool off to touch. Then I'll knock the yuckers off, peel it, and we'll have us a snack. So the beauty of this, besides not needing utensils, is that you don't really have to pay attention to it. I gave that 8 minutes, which is what the time I give in boiling water for a boiled egg a lot of times. And we'll see. Looking at it, I'm going to guess I probably could have been another minute or so, which doesn't mean this isn't going to be edible. It's just maybe not as easy to handle if we gave it a few more minutes. So let me see. Let's give this a minute to cool off. It's pretty smoking hot. All right, so here we are. It looks a little bit gruesome with a little bit of charcoal stuck to it. It doesn't hurt anything. It's not going to hurt you to eat it. Here, I'll prove it. It's, for all practical purposes, a boiled egg. But it's a baked egg in the ashes. And again, kids like fooling with these. You can see this one is still pretty much white. The shell is white. When the fire's a little bit hotter, the shells will generally be like lightly browned by the time you fish them out. These coals were not very hot, but it's done, and I'm going to eat it. And that's everything. That's the whole trick. There's a gap here, so you can see the air hole. That's from the little bit that cooked out of the top. So don't think your eggs were defective. That's just, we had some material that went out the top as it baked. You can see the edge of that's a little bit brown. So I don't think you need to watch me peel an egg for 5 minutes, but you can see the whole deal. That's done, and they're perfectly fine. The little bit that's discolored from the heat, if you peel that little inner membrane off, that comes with that, and they look pretty. And if you're not worried about it, better yet. But it's a fun tactic. It works with eggs. There's other things we can do without utensils, and I anticipate doing a full-length video on no utensil cooking soon. And thanks for joining us, and come check out Briar Patch Outdoors. Hopefully we'll be up and running soon, and maybe you can meet me in the woods somewhere. We'll eat a pile of eggs. How's that sound? All right, I'm gonna eat this one and call it good. Got all the shell. Yeah, look at that. No pot, no pan, no problem.